Hey guys, check this out. Here's an old car. I think it's a Saturn. Oh no, it's a Sunfire. Okay, but if you look at it up close, you can see that it's peeling. See that? It's pretty flat, it's pretty ugly. Okay. The best thing to do is repaint it, but in the meantime, you can use this product, these two products, to make this almost disappear. And let me show you what I mean. So let me try to get the best angle. It's actually better if you get it on this side. Just come on over here. And so what I want to do is I want to attack this area right here. Okay. So I'm going to use, this is called Lukat Fix It. This is the remaining clear coat. It's starting to peel back. Do close up what I'm going to do right now. You see how this is starting to, the lip on this is starting to come off. You can just remove that like that. Use a scouring pad to remove all that stuff. And then all you have to do is clean this and then clean this, and they'll blend and refract better, and you won't really notice it. So this is on the fender. It's not wax, it's paint cleaner. I'm gonna put that on like that. Whoop, that's a little bit too much. Okay, so you always wanna clean the exposed base coat first, because this is for a clear coat. The clear coat is coming up on the top. That's normal. After so many years, they're only designed to last like 15 years. But what I'm doing here is cleaning the exposed color base coat. Don't be alarmed if you see paint coming off. You're cleaning it, okay? You don't rub hard, you just clean the same spot until it looks really, really nice. You can actually feel it too. It's like all the resistance goes away and all you have is a nice, shiny, beautiful, refractive spot, okay? So I cleaned it, okay? So now, this is closer to this. So when I clean the clear coat, when I clean the base coat, the exposed base coat, you see color coming off. Be careful not to rub too hard and remove it all. Remember, this is just something you can do until you get the car repainted. Now I'm cleaning the clear coat here. Okay, the remaining clear coat, I'm cleaning it. I want to get that as shiny as possible. If you guys try to always feather back the edges, you'll be there forever. So now, this red and this red is closer. I don't know, can you see the lines right there? Okay, remember, this is not wax. The purpose of this is not to make it shiny. The purpose of this is to bring back the good remaining color and shine, make it smooth and shiny again. Now, I'm gonna use this product here. It's called the EZ Sealer wax. And this product right here is a carnauba. And what it does, it's going to seal and protect the finish and create refraction. It works like a filler too. It's really good stuff. Put it on and we're gonna let it dry. Okay, this is not perfect, but it's better than driving around with the paint job that's obviously peeling. This is the kind of wax you want to leave on here for about 10-15 minutes because it hardens. It's nice and it feels, it works really good like that. But now that it's drying up, I'm just gonna, for the sake of time, I'm just gonna do this. Now, instead of driving around, you're focusing on this right here. Instead of it looking like this, okay, it looks like this. And from a distance, you really can't see it. So you can use, I would suggest use a scouring pad, a kitchen scouring pad, just to use the Brillo side of the scouring pad to be aggressive on the edges, and then that'll feather back the edges here so you don't see no white. And then you can use a cleaner afterwards, polish it. Always polish the base coat separately from the remaining clear coat because the texture is different. And it is possible to remove all the exposed color base coat because some of these paint jobs are just dirt cheap. This is a great product because it's not a cutter, it's cleaner. It cleans more than cuts, so you're able to remove a lot less, bring back more, so you got more to work with. Come over here so you can see from this angle over here. Okay. It just looks better. So you look at the entire hood, it needs to be done. You're gonna wanna wash it first and clean it in sections. Never do the whole thing all at once, do it in sections. Do the fender, do half the hood panel, do half the, the front end. Just do it in sections. It's gonna look a lot better and it won't look ugly. So you guys got questions, call us up at the number on the website and on the video. And I can't always answer, text me if you want. And I'll try getting back to you guys. Later, guys.